So, hello, this is Mayur Rahul, and I'm doing my assignment, robotics assignment. So, from category 1, I have done 4 tasks. These are those, and from category B, I have done these tasks. So, let's see the first task, that is using Webot platform, make a epoch robot, follow a colored line. So, yeah. Um, so, here is the world and here is the epoch and here is the controller for the epoch. So now just run the simulation. Yeah, so here as you can see, the epoch is following the colored line. Yeah, and here is the controller for it. I have used the rebuild controller and add some changes to the controller. Yeah. So this was the first task. Now the second task is using Epoch platform, make a Epoch robot having many blinking LEDs. So, so here is the world, and yeah, here is the controller. Let me select the yeah, yeah. So let me run. Yeah. So here, as you can see, uh, different LEDs are blinking. Yeah. So this was task two. Now, yeah. So using Webots platform, the task three is using Webots platform, make a epoch robot dance. Now, let me change the controller. Yeah. Hmm. So here, as you can see, the epoch is following a certain pattern and it is repeating its action after a certain interval of time, which can be uh, said as the epoch is dancing. Now, moving on to the next task, which was using a epoch platform, make a epoch robot exactly 50 centimeters and then stop. So let's open the voice. So here is the controller for epoch to move 50 centimeters and then stop. So as you can see, the epoch uh, the, walks straight and stops at 50 centimeters. And if you see the arena, yeah. So the total arena is about 1.5 meters, and the number of tiles, and the total number of tiles is 30. So that means uh, in order to cover 50 centimeters, the epoch has to travel 10 times, which you can see. Yeah, it has traveled nearly 10 times. That means the epoch has traveled 50 centimeters. This is the code for the epoch controller. Now, moving on to the next task, which was from category B, that is configure a epoch robot's camera. Now, yeah, I will be demonstrating that in the same world just by changing the controller. So, yeah, this is the controller for configuring epoch's camera. This is the code, and here, as you can see, uh, the epoch's camera is on, and if we move this epoch, you can see the camera feed is also changing. So that was the task. Now, Now the another task was to make a epoch walk randomly when it sees an obstacle. So yeah, so this is the task that I have also demonstrated in the Viva. Yeah, here is the code for it, and yeah, so I will just run the simulation. Here you can see once it detects a obstacle, it changes its direction and moves randomly into the space. Yeah, so here is the controller code for it. The threshold that I have set is 75 for different for all the sensors, and I have used 8 distance sensor in this. And you can also see the live sensor value in the console over here. And yeah, so that's it. This was the task. Now the next task from category B3 was to understand the component and program the Kepler 3 gripper WBT in help and change the gripper and object to be lifted, control the robot by keyboard and choose manually which object is to be released. So, uh, so yeah, here is the word for the graph tree gripper. I have made some changes into the controller, but I was not able to make it run properly and it was giving some errors. So yeah, uh, yeah, it is the simulation, and when I'm not able to make it run from keyboard, uh, and here is the changes that I have made to the controller. Yeah, here it is. So I have added the conditions, and based on that, I am trying to make it change its direction on based on the keyboard keys pressed. But yeah, I was not able to do it. Uh, so let's move on to the next task from category B, that is the soccer one. So in this, we have to make two humanoid robots and make them kick a ball towards each other. So yeah, so yeah, here is the scene. I have made some changes into the controller, and yeah, here it is. The two two humanoid robots onto a soccer field. So once it detects the ball, it kicks the ball and goes and see where the ball is, and again try to kick. Yeah. So that's it. That was the task for the robotics assignment.